all, welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have a new to me company. I've been looking at this company for a couple of years now and just have not bought anything. And so I saw that they were doing a special type of canvas and thought I am going to do this because I don't know how to crochet, but I can do the next best thing. So I purchased a 2024 temperature diamond painting. And I'm really excited to do this. It's not a big one. When I saw they were doing this last year, I saw it on, I think it was Instagram or Facebook, and it was huge. And so I knew I didn't want to do one that large, but then I saw that it was revised, and then I got really curious about it. Also noticed that Diamond Painting Anonymous ordered one, and I thought I can do this, and I want to map out our weather here because we may move the next couple of years or so, and it'll be interesting to see how our weather in one section area of Georgia is going to be different than another area. So I thought that would be a lot of fun, but I love how bright and cheerful that their box is. It came very well packaged, so I did not have any problems with that. I ordered this and it came in less than a week. As soon as I ordered it, that same day, it was shipped out and then I received it. So I was really excited. I don't know if that's a normal shipping time or not, but I was really happy for that. The box does say Diamond Paintings and Accessories, also gives their Facebook, their Instagram, and also their email and their website. This says, relax your body, calm your mind, and soothe your spirit. So that was really cool. So I'm going to unbox this and let's see what all. Try to let the canvas straighten itself out for a few minutes. But I wanted to show you this. It gives you the DMC numbers and then it gives you Fahrenheit. Whenever I ordered this, it was asked on their website to make sure you let them know what your lowest and your highest temps are. And so that's what I did for us. And there's several DMCs. I won't get all of these DMCs because we do not have 32 degrees Fahrenheit and below. This is negative 32. So we do not have that. So I won't get all of these. I will just get the DMCs that corresponds to the temperature that I told them that we had. Also, I could cut these symbols out, the DMC numbers, if I wanted to, because there's not going to be any symbols on here. But I can cut the DMC numbers out if I want to and put those on my containers. And I might do that. I also have some DMC stickers from Amazon that I might use just so I don't cut this up. I can make a copy of this too, but this is a sticker sheet. If I wanted to cut that out, I could. That's kind of large for the containers that I plan on using. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. But you also receive a temperature tracker. Now I went back for January because I just got this, and this is the 30th of January when I am filming this. So I went and found the history for our area for January, and so I'm going to put all of those on there. I'm probably going to do this a month at a time instead of doing it daily, but I am going to keep up with it monthly. So in December, it's on the back of this, I will keep up with December daily, or at least towards the end, because on the 31st, I want to have this finished so I can say this was a completion in 2024. That's the plan, but you know, plans always change, or they can. This is a 32 by 40 centimeter canvas, so I think that is perfect. There are 30 beads a day, so there's one row a day times the number of days in the month for that month, and it's sectioned into 4 zones. So let me also show you what else is in here. And we do have a postcard. Craft Pack Canada gives the same information as what's on the box. And then it tells how we can reach out if we have any problems. We have a toolkit. Let me pull all of this out. I was going to say the tray didn't want to come out there. It's on the back side. Oh, okay, I'm trying to see what was on the back here. I think there may be directions or something that's stuck to here, or maybe that's just something that's on. I guess that's just a sticker. Okay, so this even tells you on the back side here, I guess it's front side, and what comes in your toolkit. You get a boat, which is a tray, a pin grip, which I call a squeezy, tweezers, and we also get a 4-bead placer, wax, a 7-bead placer, and then of course a single. So we have the, I'm sure these are pokey tweezers. Yes, these are very pokey tweezers. I do not diamond paint with tweezers, but I often need them to pull a diamond off. Then we have our tray, little Mosfa tray, I believe. Our pin with the 2 placers. So if you want to multi-place, which I will daily more than likely, because our temps really don't change that much from one day to the next. And then you can just put this on the other end if you want to, and you have your multi-placer. And then we have our wax and our squishy. So you have everything that you need in this kit if you've never diamond painted before. That should flatten out. It was rolled up with a rubber band, so it's going to take some time for that to straighten out, but that's fine. Also, if you run out of drills, you can contact Craft Canada, and they will actually send you replacement drills. More than likely, I won't do that. If I have enough drills, I will just go ahead and use what I have in my stash, so that way they don't have to send back from Canada to the US. These are rounds, and I can tell they have static. All of mine have static, and they were in order, but now, no, they're not. And let's see. What I'm probably going to start off with will be 3753. I'm just looking to see what the colors. 3753, that's a blue, makes sense for cold. So that'll be one that I will use quite a bit. That's 21 degrees to 25. And then I will use 954 some, 164. That 164 is also blue. Nope, there's one. 164 is a green. So that's 28 to 33 degrees. And then in the summer, it's going to get up to like 88 to 99. So 351 and 321. I will use those also. There's 321. That's red. I guess that stands for heat. And then 351 is an orange. So let's look at the canvas. It's pretty straight. So you can see all these colors. I just have them out on my table. I'll move those over so we can see the canvas. These are very bright colors. I wasn't sure what colors would come with this either. Those are very bright. I don't know if I mentioned, but this is a round. So we start off here with January, of course, since it's January. I'm going to move this up some, but you can tell that it has, basically it's gridded. So that very first line, January the 1st, it's going to be the entire line, and you go to the second, so on and so forth. And so then when I get to February, since it is a leap year this year, and we do have 29 days, so I will just go through here and I will just mark these off. Now you won't see this on my January month in review because I will have already done it. I haven't not started on this one, so I will have this possibly on February. I don't know if I'm going to show this every month. I mean, I can if you guys want me to, but I wanted to go ahead, get this unboxed, look and see what it's like, and then go ahead and get this started because I don't want to get really behind and then come September, October, I'm frantic trying to get this done by the end of the year. So I really want to keep up as much as possible. And I do think that what I'll do whenever I go to kit this up, I'm just going to put this in one of those small containers that I have, the gridded ones that, you know, they're together. And so I'm probably just going to use that since I'm going to have this tied up for the year. Not sure if this is going to be enough drills, but again, I can have them send me some more if I want to, or I can just use what's in my stash, which I can easily do that. I think I have all these colors. I really like how these colors are really bright and they're not dull. So I think this is going to be really cool and a lot of fun. And what I'm really looking forward to is seeing what it's going to look like when I get, you know, more and more of the diamonds on there and different colors. I will put a link to Craft Pack Canada underneath the description. I have not even looked to see what other canvases that they currently have. I was just so excited about this one, and I didn't want to order a second canvas, so I did pay for shipping, but shipping really wasn't bad. I think it was around $13, and from Canada to here, $13 is not bad at all. So I just didn't want to order anything else. I was on a no-buy, but I did purchase this because I thought this might go ahead and sell out, and I didn't want to wait until I got, you know, further and further behind on it. So I did went ahead and did not buy anything all of January until this one. But I thought, well, might as well go ahead and go for it. So I did purchase, actually, I purchased 2 canvases because I purchased a dragon that just came out from Diamond Art Club. So I did blow my no-buy, but I think it was well worth it for this kit. The other one that I purchased from Diamond Art Club, that was with my points. So I don't know if I count that as my no-buy botched up. I think just buying 1 canvas though, that's pretty good. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please click on the like button. Also, if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. I have several projects that I think you might enjoy for the rest of the year. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.